What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Note 10. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to take a screenshot. So if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm going to go ahead and start off by going into gallery, showing you guys I currently don't have any pictures, nothing in there. And then let's say you're just searching the web and you found a cool place, a cool site. You want to save it for later, whatever the case may be. We're going to be using the volume down and the power button together. So go ahead and just hit them both simultaneously and let go. And you saw there's like a little bit of a picture, a little bit of flash. This down here pops up showing us that, hey, you got a picture. So now if we were to go back into our gallery, we will see that today we have a screenshot. It also gives us that option to go to the website. So if we wanted to go to that exact spot, we click it and it takes us to that website that we were on. So you can do this for anything. If you find a recipe online, if you're watching a video, you can pause it, take a screenshot. If you find somebody, anything like that, just a quick volume down and the power button, hit them simultaneously, and that takes a picture of the screen. So hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the Note 10, be sure to check out that Note 10 playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.